Do you want to be able to add a Klarna card to your Apple Wallet? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to add it. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work. And the first step is going to be for us to go into our settings app. So go into your settings app, and then you should be taken to this page right here. As you can see, now when you're on your settings app, then what you're going to do is to just scroll down until you can see where it says Wallet and Apple Pay. As you can see, so click on Wallet and Apple Pay, and now you should be taken to this page right here, where you will be able to see all of your cards that is currently connected to your Apple Pay. But just click on add card in here, because we're going to add a new card, right? So click on debit or credit card in here. Now you're going to search for Klarna and just click on it. And as you can see, you need to have this app as well to be able to actually proceed to the next step. So make sure that you have that one as well. And when you do, then you will be able to actually add a Klarna card to your Apple Wallet. So that is basically exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.